Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we dive into the latest electric vehicle news and trends. I'm your host, Name, and today we're taking a look at a story that's got everyone in the industry buzzing. It seems like just yesterday we were talking about Mitsubishi's plans to launch an all-new electric vehicle lineup, but now it appears they've found themselves a new partner to help bring those plans to life. Foxconn, yes, you heard that right, the same tech giant behind Apple products and more, has signed on as the first global manufacturer for Mitsubishi's upcoming EV. That's right, folks, this partnership is not only significant for Mitsubishi, but also represents a major milestone in the global EV manufacturing landscape. By working with Foxconn, Mitsubishi will be able to leverage the company's extensive expertise and resources to bring its new EVs to market faster and more efficiently than ever before. We'll have to wait and see exactly what that means for consumers, but one thing is certain, it's a game changer. Now let's talk about why this partnership matters so much. For one, it highlights the growing importance of partnerships in the EV space. As the industry continues to evolve and mature, we're seeing more and more companies forming alliances with other players to drive innovation and growth. And with Mitsubishi and Foxconn on board, we can expect to see some really exciting things happen in the months and years to come. But what does this mean for Mitsubishi? Well, as I mentioned earlier, it represents a major step forward in the company's plans to launch its new EV lineup. By tapping into Foxconn's manufacturing expertise, Mitsubishi will be able to bring those vehicles to market faster and with greater efficiency than ever before. And that means one thing: more options for consumers. Now, on a related note, we can't help but think of our friends down in Mexico at Ford. Yes, you heard that right. Ford has just announced plans to hike prices on 3 of its models produced in Mexico, effective May 2nd. That's right, folks. This is one of the first major automakers to adjust sticker prices following President Trump's tariffs. So what does this mean for consumers? Well, it means that they can expect to see higher prices for certain Ford models in the coming weeks and months. Now, we know what you're thinking: why should I care about a tariff when I'm just trying to buy a new car? But here's the thing. These tariffs are having a ripple effect throughout the entire industry, and it's affecting consumers in ways they may not even realize. At ElectroDrive News, we'll continue to bring you all the latest news and updates on the EV space. From partnerships and pricing changes to new model releases and more, we've got you covered. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on ElectroDrive News.